How to find the best Birkenstock working promo codes in 2025. The first things first, before you go ahead and head over directly to Birkenstock, place your order and check them out. Let's go ahead and look for available and working promo codes. Now, if you're going to be using any browser on your end, just head straight to create a new tab and then just simply go to this website that's going to be called couponfollow.com. Once you're here, just head directly to search for a store and look for Birkenstock. So it is usually located at the very first result. Simply click on that and you will then redirected to various kinds of options where you can use to have or take advantage with discounts and promos. So just simply click this show coupon code for you to be able to use this and go back to Birkenstock's official site and put it here, and you should be able to use that working codes. So that is how you find the best working Birkenstock promo codes.